Hello everyone, I've got here oatmeal cookies. I'm going to show you how to make it. You may want it chewy like I got here, or crunchy, especially if you want to keep it for a long time. Let's go there. I've added my ingredients: flour sifted. To this I'm going to add baking soda, salt, and then some cinnamon. Mix everything together and set aside. Softening the margarine. I'm using margarine. You can use butter. That's done. Brown sugar goes in. Also using white sugar. The white sugar too goes in, and creaming until it's light and fluffy. It's already light and fluffy. I'm going to add in the egg. I'm using one large egg. In the eggs, using a mixer makes it faster for both the creaming and the whisking. Add in the vanilla. Pour in all the dry ingredients at once. Once it is well combined, I'll add in the oats, the nuts, and the raisins. I'll add oatmeal. First of all, one thing I like about this recipe, it is not so sweet. It is sweet, but it's not so sweet. It's very Nigerian friendly. You know, we don't like too much sugar. Next is the roasted peanuts, groundnuts, chopped. This is a small species, so I didn't really need to chop it that much. Raisins goes in. I'm folding it in. Oatmeal cookies dough is ready, and I'm going to use a large scoop. If you like, you can use a smaller scoop. A large scoop obviously takes a longer time to scoop into a paper lined baking tray. These are big cookies, it should be well spaced. Now for the pressing down, some people dip their hands in water and then flatten it, and then you might want to smooth the edges. This took like 15 minutes because it's a batch of large cookies, and I had 8 cookies in all. How to know the cookies are done? The edges will be brown. Time to bake in the oven, medium heat. 16 minutes later, it is done. If you want a little bit of crunch, let it stay longer, but don't burn it. To be on the safe side, while it is still hot, try and remove it. This is not sticking, so I'm good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy the oatmeal cookies.
Showers of blessings, make you follow me today.